Most people think of walking as just a casual activity, something you do when you're not really exercising. But science says otherwise. Walking may be the single most underrated health habit you can build into your daily life. Let's start with the basics. Just 30 minutes of walking a day can reduce your risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. It strengthens your heart without overstressing your joints, but the benefits go way beyond your heart. Walking is a full-body movement that activates muscles in your legs, hips, core, and even your shoulders. Over time, it builds endurance and tones your body gently and sustainably. Now let's talk about your brain. Studies show that regular walking boosts mood, reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression, and even improves memory. How? Because walking increases blood flow to the brain, releases feel-good chemicals like endorphins, and reduces stress hormones like cortisol. It's also one of the best things you can do for your metabolism. Walking helps regulate blood sugar, which is critical for preventing type 2 diabetes. After you eat, a brisk 10 to 15-minute walk can lower your glucose spike significantly. You don't need to sweat buckets or run marathons to lose weight. In fact, walking burns calories in a way that is more sustainable because it dosens. Trigger your appetite the way high-intensity workouts sometimes do. Walking regularly can help with fat loss while preserving muscle. Sleep is another area that improves. People who walk daily tend to fall asleep faster and experience deeper, more restful sleep. It helps reset your internal clock, especially if you walk outside and get natural sunlight in the morning. Then there's longevity. One major study from Harvard found that people who walk briskly for just 20 minutes a day can reduce their risk of premature death by up to 30%. That's a bigger impact than many medications. The best part? Walking is free. You don't need a gym membership, fancy shoes, or a perfect routine. You can walk indoors, outdoors, at your own pace, anytime that fits your schedule. If you want to level up your walking, try increasing your pace for short bursts, adding light ankle weights, or choosing routes with gentle hills. These small tweaks boost your heart rate and activate more muscle. Walking is also a powerful mental break. It gives you space to think, breathe, and disconnect from screens. Many of the world's most successful people, from Steve Jobs to Aristotle, swore by walking meetings and long strolls to spark creativity. So if you were looking for one habit to boost your health without adding stress to your life, start walking. It's simple, powerful, and proven. Take that first step today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense health tips right here on Health Pulse TV.